Hi, Nathan Thornberry here. I have an idea for you if you love to make your kids happy and like aviation and are on a budget, and so many of us are. So, if you've never heard of an FBO, let me tell you what that means. It means flight base operations. And you will find an FBO, aka a mini airport, at local airports, municipal airports, shorter runways, less people, no airport security, not the internationals. And these small airports will generally have an FBO that serves general aviation pilots like myself. We come in, we fuel up, and we head on our merry way, or stop and have what they call $100 hamburger. But they also tend to have on those smaller fields a flight school, and it's not at every one, but at a lot of them. And if you go to that flight school and you take a discovery flight, it's usually pretty cheap. It's half an hour or so, and you can go up and you can feel what a plane is like, and you can have your kids do it too. So here's a little trick that'll keep you from having to charter a plane to go and see all the Christmas lights from up high. Just sign yourself up and your kids up for flight lessons, and then schedule it accordingly so that you can get a couple of night flights in. And of course, the flight instructor on a newer student at night sightseeing for Christmas lights is probably going to take control most of the time, but it will still have the effect, and the views will be wonderful. And if you have a flexible flight instructor, there's no regulation telling them that they can't put the two of you that aren't flying the plane, or the one of you that isn't flying the plane, however many you have, although most student aircraft or beginner aircraft, I should say, have only 4 seats. They have no regulation keeping them from putting people in the back, so it could be a sightseeing trip, and you can go, land, next person hops in the seat, go, enjoy the sightseeing, land again. So here's your tip for for a few $100 to give your kids an unbelievable new experience these holidays.